This is gonna be the quickest, easiest, budget-friendly glow up video you will ever watch. So let's get right into it. One question I get asked almost all the time is, AG, how do you always look put together? You're a student, you are a content creator, you are a business owner. How do you always come out looking good? And trust me, I'm not always looking like that. This is how I look on a regular basis. But I put in effort to look good, at least almost all the time. I'm going to take you guys along with me. So the first step is you need to bathe, you need to brush, you need to wash your hair. I'm not going to wash my hair today because I did that like a couple of days ago. So I'm just going to bathe and I'll be right back. Now that I'm done with my shower routine, I'm going to start with my skincare. I have like a 3 to 4 step skincare routine. I'm going to start with Dr. Rashel's vitamin C serum. I recently started using Dr. Rashel's product and I must say that I really love their product. This vitamin C serum is an antioxidant that helps stimulate collagen production in the skin. It has also brightened my skin, helped fade dark spots and discoloration. It has reduced my wrinkles and is also high in hydrochloric acid, which helps keep my skin plump and juicy. Now I'm going in with the vitamin C brightening and aging face cream. I'm almost out, so I'm just going to use. Their face cream formula has almost some of the same benefits as their vitamin C face serum, except this is like a gel based cream, which is perfect for oily skin like mine and dry skin. It is also an anti-aging cream which helps get rid of fine lines. It also moisturizes the skin and leaves your skin looking much glowy and clearer, which I really love. I don't do this all the time, but I do this on days that I have time for it. I'm going to use this to just massage over my face. If you don't know what this is, please, what age are you living in? Like, anyway, don't mind me. This is a jade ruler, and what this does is it helps to, get blood circulation going around the face. It also helps to reduce puffiness, and it also helps to brighten the skin. Yes, I said that. It helps brighten the skin. So I did one side to show you guys how it looks. You can see that there is a difference. This side looks much lifted than this side. I'm going to do the same thing on here. If you want to see really good results with this, I recommend you do this at least twice every day. Now I'm going to use my SPF. This is Dr. Rachel's anti-aging 60++ SPF. This is a moisturizing sunscreen. I'll take about This video was not sponsored by Dr. Rachel in any ways, but I'm always open for sponsoring. So, but anyway, I really like their products. That's why I use their product a lot. And I like this sunscreen because it absorbs really nicely into the skin. It also protects my skin from sun damage. It keeps my skin from premature aging, which is a must because okay. And it does not clog my pores, which I really like. You can see how nicely it's blending into my skin. For my body, I'm going to use a body oil. This is Cushion's body oil. I'm going to rub this all over my body. This just helps my skin stay soft, smooth, nice, and I like to do this before I apply my perf because it helps my perfume last longer than it normally does. Next step, I'm sorry about the noise, they're working next door. So the next step is your perfumes, your body oils, whatever you use to smell nice. You need to smell good. You don't even have to buy expensive perfumes. You can use good perfumes that are actually cheap. I'm gonna start off with Nivea body spray. This. Top it off with this body spray 2 pumps. I'm gonna take this one and just spray it all over my body. So the fourth step is your clothes. What are you going to wear? Most times when I'm going out the next day, I plan my clothes so I don't have to like stress over what I'm going to wear. Today I'm not going out, not going anywhere. It's just a casual day, so I just want to wear something casual. So I'm probably going to wear a t-shirt and a skirt or a jean. This is how I get my t-shirts to stay on as a crop top. I use like a rubber band, a small elastic band to just hold it at the back, and then I'm going to tie it as a knot in the back to make it secure and nice. You can see how, it's looking. So this is a tip for you if you don't know how to tie your t-shirt. I got tired of sitting. I'm going to stand. This is my favorite body spray. It smells so good. It has this mango tropical smell. I really like it. I'm almost done with it to tell you how much I love this body spray. I'm just going to this body oil is Victoria's Secret body oil. I'm going to spray on my palm. Just rub that a little right there. The last body oil, this is touch body oil. Just a little here. Round up. I need to pack my hair, take water and a brush to detangle my hair. I'm taking my hair growth booster. I'll spray that right in the middle and just rub it in. This is the only thing that holds this hair down. When I spray this on my hair, it's gone. Like, it's gone. It's going to make it sleek as it can. I'm just going to spray. Jesus. Take a thin thread, use this to hold my hair back. You don't need to use a thread if you have an elastic band or a scrunchie. I just grabbed this because it's closer to me and it's the only thing that really holds my hair back. So I'm going to use this to help my hair stay in place, and once I'm done tying this, I'm going to grab a toothbrush or a hairbrush, whatever you use to slick your hair back, and I'm going to use this to just slick the hair back and make sure I get to every flyaway that's left on my hair. I'm also going to use this to brush up my brows. For the final step, which I can never miss, is my lip gloss, my accessories. These earrings are from my store. I just started a jewelry brand, so you can get them if you want them. This is what I'm gonna wear today. I know. I didn't tell you guys about my jewelry brand. I recently started a new business, and this is something that I always wanted to do, even before YouTube, even before makeup. This has been a long coming dream, and I'm so happy to see it come to life. So if you want to support my business, all you have to do is just check the link in the description to follow me on my Instagram page. You can buy whatever you want, shop whatever accessories that you need, support your girl, support my business. And yes, babes, we've come to the end of this video. This is a very simple glow up video. This is just some of my beauty tips, some of the things that I do every day to look good, and it's not really a hard step to follow. It's actually simple things that we do every day, but once you start to make this your daily routine, you will get a hang of it, and you will always be able to come out looking good and looking at your very best. Yes, babe, we've come to the end of the video. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.